Hi guys, so I'm back with another video. It's the same night, so I'm wearing the same shirt. So this time I'm doing my Boxycharm Premium, and I'm super excited to get her. And she's for October, so it's getting close to the end of the night, so I'm kind of tired. I've been doing a lot of schoolwork. But I got my Boxycharm Premium box, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Sorry, I just kind of bumped the camera. There we go. And the box variation I got is number 2. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully it pops out clear. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And the first thing I'm pulling out is this tinted oil, face oil by Kosas. And this is my choice item that I chose this month. I've never tried a tinted face oil, so we're gonna see what that's about. It sounds really watery, to be honest. It's like runny as I'll get out. Okay, so we're just gonna try it out. Hopefully that it's my skin color. Let's see if I can pour it on my face. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, I don't really like the way it smells. And it feels really greasy. I'm just gonna use my fingers because that's what we're doing today. I don't know if I like it, to be honest, because it's kind of greasy feeling. The next thing I have is this Fenty brow pencil in dark brown. Good. I'm glad they gave me a color that, like, because I have my eyebrows are like black. Like, my hair is dark brown and my eyebrows are black for some reason. And yes, I'm so happy to get Fenty. Here she is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, it's got this like different kind of like brush. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to get my camera to focus. And here is the pencil. I'm gonna just cover that back up. Okay, so here's the pencil. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna write. Oh, that's kind of hard. Not what I was expecting. Here's the line right here. This is, don't mind that black line up there, but this one right here is it. That's the line. See, watch. It's kind of hard. Let's see. I mean, it's not really showing up, but whatever. I'll try it out and hopefully it'll work. It's kind of lighter than my eyebrows, but it's okay. I'm super happy to get that. So the next thing I have is, Laura Geller 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. And this is in the color Beige Bite. It's a super pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Ugh, I don't like the way that smells, guys. This smells awful to me. It smells like old. Ugh, I don't know. I'm gonna try it on. Maybe it'll smell better later. There it is. It's kind of like a brownish orangish color. It's super pretty, but the smell, it feels nice. Like, it's drying down matte. It looks nice. It's a good color for fall. I'll wear it. It's just that color, that smell. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that. I'm still gonna use it because, like, I like the color, but I'll just have to top it with something that doesn't smell like paint. Okay, so the next product I have in my box is the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies. So I don't really know what this is. Single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. Okay, so that's kind of cool. Let's do a sniff test. So that's what they look like. Let's see if I can pull one out. Ooh, they're kind of... It smells kind of lemony a little bit. And this part is kind of rough, like... So they're just like regular face pads. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to try that out. The next thing I have is the Clarins Instant Smooth Line Smoothing Perfecting Touch. What is this, like a face lotion? I'm confused. Here it is. I don't know if it's still blurry. I'm sorry if it is. I haven't figured out my camera yet. This is $39. It says it's ultralight award-winning primer leaves. Oh, it's a face primer. Leaves an impeccable veil over the skin surface, silkening acacia micro pearls, fill in pores, fine lines, and deep wrinkles. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes for foundation-ready skin. Experience the clearance difference. Makeup with skincare benefits. Okay, cool. Oh, it feels nice. Let me see. And this thing is valued at $39. It's a decent size, I guess. Oh. It doesn't really smell anything. There's the inside. And this one is 0.5 ounces, 0.5 ounces. But it'll be nice to try. Let's try her, touch her. Oh, it's like pillowy. It feels pillowy and has no scent. It kind of reminds me of Professional. Oh, it does kind of blurs. I should have showed you my wrist before, but it does kind of blur, so I'm excited to try that out. The last thing I have in my premium box, sorry, is this Illuminati X Isa, which I think is Isabella Bedoya palette. This is interesting. I've never seen them do this to a palette. It's like wrap it this hard. And it's kind of cute, but it kind of reminds me, it's like got super cute packaging. It's like galaxy, and I love stars and the galaxy and stuff like that. Anything occultish I love. But it's kind of funny because it looks like the printer was starting to run out of ink when they made this, but I don't know. It's super cute though. And here we have it. It's got a decent sized mirror. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you that. And here's the colors, and they're super fun. Like, I don't think I have any of these. I don't think I have colors like this row. This is crazy. This is like colors I would never go for. Let me see what the price of this thing is. $48. I would never pay $48 for this kind of palette. I don't know. It just feels super cheap, like the packaging. But to be honest though, it's kind of exciting because I don't have colors like this in my collection. Like, they're super pretty. Ooh, I really like this color right here and this one, this Izzy, that gold. I don't know if it's a glitter, but that thing is pretty. And this purple is super cute. Like, these ones are cute. Like, and this purple dream, that's like one of those colors that like changes colors. So I'm super excited to try it. Let me swatch a couple. Oh yeah. Oh, that blue didn't come out much. Oh yeah, the purple dream is definitely a topper. Like, here's the colors so far. That like top row of like, you can't even really see it on my wrist because I swatched it wrong. I'm so sorry. Let me see if I can get you to see it. Ah! The purple dream one, you can barely see it, but it's right here. It's like glitter flecks. I'm so sorry that it's not showing up. But it's really pretty. It's a really pretty topper color. And I really like that purple. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the middle row and the Izzy color. I'm not going to do the rest of them because like they're basic. But I'm going to try to do it on my other arm because these are super cute. Oh, this is just a glitter. Okay. Okay, I'm not really the biggest fan of that Izzy color because it literally is a chunky glitter. I wasn't going to do all the colors, but we're here. And I'm just going to swatch them all. Okay, so here are the swatches. This one, I'm kind of shocked it's just like a chunky glitter. I mean, they're pretty. You can use this palette to make some really pretty looks, but you'll probably have to work for it, like, because they're not the smoothest. But I do like it. So let me go ahead and add this box up. Okay, so the value of my premium box is actually less than the value of my base box, which is kind of surprising. The value of my premium box actually came out to $205, and I think the value of my base box was $211. So I don't know what that was about. I mean, I honestly will say this premium box for $35, I think I paid $35 for it. I'm not like super impressed with. I do like the products, like they're products I wouldn't really normally try, but I don't know, like, it just didn't scream premium. Like, I wasn't like, wow. I hate saying that because, like, I haven't tried them, but like this face oil, it feels kind of greasy, but it feels nice now. It's starting to soften up, but I'm scared it's going to break me out. But we'll see. But the value of this box is $205. So, the premium box, I think this month I like the base box more than the premium box. So, hopefully November box will be much better. But thank you for watching. If you got it this far, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. And let me know down below what your premium box was like. Or even if, like, what you thought about my box. Was it worth the $35? Because I'm kind of debating on if I want to continue doing the premium box, especially Christmas around the corner. But just let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching.